Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by placing the ruler with the 0 mark aligned to the reference edge. This ensures measurements begin from a true baseline. Hold the instrument flat and stabilize it with your thumb at roughly 1/3 of its length so it won't slide while you mark. Once done, check your eye level. View the scale perpendicular to the surface to avoid parallax error. Make sure to use the finest gradation present for the precision you need, and proceed to the next step. When alignment is exact, you now read the measurement by bringing your eye perpendicular to the scale. That prevents parallax and gives a true reading. Line up the point you need with the nearest tick and use a fine pencil or scribe to mark precisely on the edge. Press lightly to avoid widening the mark. Once marked, measure again to a larger reference tick, say the nearest centimeter or inch, and compare both readings for consistency. If they match, you're ready to cut or align. Otherwise, adjust and remark. You finish by verifying the mark. Measure to both ends of the line to confirm symmetry and the exact distance. Once satisfied, clamp or tape the workpiece so nothing shifts when you cut or fasten. Stability preserves accuracy. If anything seems off, stop. Realign the 0 to your reference edge and repeat the measurement steps rather than guessing. As a troubleshooting tip, if repeated errors occur, check the ruler for nicks or warps and substitute a straight, undamaged ruler to restore correct readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.